Hey everyone, this is Alicia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did this smoky eye and this gold pop of color and blue waterline. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. First I'm going to start by priming my lids using the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Deep Cool. I'm then going to blend it out using my Real Techniques concealer brush, and then once my lid is perfectly coated, I'm going to set it in place using my Coty Airspun translucent setting powder using my BH number 3 brush from the Studded Elegance brush set.
Suck the life right out of my veins when you spoke my name. Got the kind of thing going that tips the scales, yeah, you keep me safe.
For my brow bone highlight, I'm applying the Ulta Beauty Summer in Paris single eyeshadow with my e.l.f. concealer brush. This is one of my favorite shades to use as a brow bone highlight. Now taking the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade Alien all over my lid, this is going to act as a base for my shadow. I want to start repurposing my makeup and show you that you don't have to buy everything that comes out, and also to offer you affordable alternatives to products to use in your looks. Once my lid is coated, I'm going in with my Morphe M408 brush from the Living Color brush set to make sure my base is blended out and to make it somewhat tacky because it gives the shadow something better to adhere to. I'm slightly dragging it outwards and above my crease to make it easier to blend out before I set it with my shadow. I flipped that same brush over to the other side and I'm applying the shade Win Win from the Morphe 9T palette, which is the matte black shade, and is going to set that base that I just laid down. I'm using patting motions for this step. I'm now using my Morphe M507 brush from the same Living Color brush set to apply the shade Pack into my crease and where the black ends to help to start to blend out the harsh edges. First, I'm just packing this shade on before I do any actual blending. I love how pointed and precise this brush is. It just made this step so much easier.
I'll be the fight against your fears, forever here, just save those tears.
Now that I've built that shade up enough, I'm going in with my Morphe M222 brush and blend in small circular windshield wiper motions up towards my transition area.
This is what it feels like. Oh, this is what it feels like to see reflections of you all around. Oh, this is what it sounds like. Oh, this is what it sounds like. Oh, this is what it sounds like to hear reflections.
Now using the Morphe M222 brush that came within the same Living Color brush set, I'm going to apply Open Mind in my transitioned area, and this is going to help marry my brow bone highlight with my above crease shade. I'm also going to go back and forth with previous brushes, just using what was on the brush to further reinforce those colors. Creating a smoky eye is one of the most easiest yet complex eyeshadow looks to create. All it takes is patience and blending. Now going in with my Wet n Wild Gilded Wings liner, I'm going to create a wing, leaving about a 1/4 inch of blank space from my lash line. I'm just drawing a line straight across as if I'm starting to create a wing. I wanted this liner to really reflect off the light beautifully, so I went over that liner with the NYX Pure Gold Crystal Liner. For mascara, I'm using the Loreal Double Extend Mascara, which if you can't already tell, this is one of my favorite drugstore mascaras. I first apply the primer side and then wait about 30 seconds before applying the mascara itself. I love the way that they make my lashes look fuller and help add drama to any look. This mascara is honestly so bomb. I really needed some bold lashes for this look, and the JoJo lashes by Rebel Access were perfect for this. These lashes are absolute fire. Do you see how fluffy and dramatic these are? These were perfect for this freaking look. It just totally complemented it so well. I actually have a code down below that'll save you some money if y'all decide to order anything from the site. Just to let you know, I do not make any money from you using my code. It is merely just to save you some money. After I'm done applying my lashes, I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera, and then we're going to come back and do my lower lash line. I'm using the Ulta Beauty Starry Night Gel Eyeliner to line my waterline. I'm so happy that I took a chance by using this color instead of just using a standard black because it paired very well with the gold. I'm now going back in with that black shade and my Morphe M408 to smudge it as close to my waterline as possible. If my skin looks dry, it's because I didn't set it with setting spray yet because I didn't want to blend shadows on top of a wet base. Then I just followed up by using both previous shades and both M222 brushes to make sure that everything was blended together and didn't look so harsh. I just set my face with setting spray and now I'm coating my bottom lashes with primer and mascara. And for the last step of this look, I'm using my BH-V9 pencil brush and the shade Straight Up and apply this as my inner corner highlight. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share my video as well as turn on notifications. And I hope to see you all soon. Bye.